In this video today, I'm actually going to be showing you how you can actually email 100,000 targeted people for your affiliate marketing business. You surely don't want to miss this one, guys. We're starting right now. What's up, guys? My name is John McNeil, and if this is the very first time you come to my channel, I do want to welcome you here. On this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing, making money online, as well as entrepreneurship. If that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel, click the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, guys, in this video today, like I said, it's a very, very special video because I'm actually going to be showing you how you can actually email 100,000 targeted prospects for your actual business and how you can actually do this over and over again and tap into massive amounts of traffic so that you can do what? Get massive amounts of leads and sales for your actual business. Now, following the strategy that I'm going to show you guys here in just a second, I do want you to go down in the description below and there will be a link for you to download this little blueprint here. And this is going to actually show you how you get traffic, how you manage traffic, and then how you multiply traffic. So this is actually going to be the blueprint or the roadmap to show you how to get massive amounts of traffic, leads, and sales. This is absolutely free for you guys to download. And then there's some training that's attached to this that's going to show you how to set all of this up. So make sure you go down in the description below and print out your blueprint right away. All right, guys, so we're going to jump right into this video. And like I said, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually tap into hundreds of thousands of targeted visitors for your affiliate marketing business in any niche, essentially. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. So where we're at right now is we're on the site of Google. And essentially what you want to do is you want to type in the actual keyword or the niche that you're in, and you're going to type in blog. So if I wanted to send some advertising out for my affiliate marketing business, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in affiliate marketing, and then I'm going to type in affiliate marketing blogs, right? And then what I want to look for is I want to look for top blogs that are in the affiliate marketing space that are getting a lot of traffic. So I want to get, these established blogs that a lot of traffic, tens of thousands of visitors, targeted people are coming to these blogs and websites already to learn how to do affiliate marketing. So if I go down here and I see like this link here that says top 100 affiliate marketing blogs, I can tap on that, and then I have all of these blogs that come up that are showing that they are some of the top blogs in affiliate marketing. So what you want to do is you want to go over to these blogs. So say, for instance, this app post. We could click over to that, and then we could go over to their website. Now, the majority of these big blogs and these big websites that have a lot of affiliate marketing information, they also sell advertising. So they'll sell banner advertisements. Sometimes they'll do paid posts. You could actually do an article and do a paid post, as well as some of them actually do email marketing, because a lot of these sites will be building their list, and then they actually send out email broadcast to their list as well. So this is a little different from like doing a traditional solo ad when you're going over to like a solo ad network like Udemy or Traffic for Me. You're actually going to directly the blog owner and you're saying, hey, I want to borrow your list and send to your list of targeted traffic individuals that are trying to learn about affiliate marketing. And the reason why I say that these actual people that you're going to be contacting are even more targeted because they already know, like, and trust the blog owner or the actual brand that they're getting the mail from. So if this person, Affiliate Marketing News here, if they're sending out a newsletter or email, the people that are on the list are already familiar with the owner, this brand. So it's going to make the conversions, the clicks, the leads even more solid versus sometimes when you even doing cold traffic with solo ads, right? So basically what you would do is you want to find typically where these people would advertise. And typically it's at the bottom of the page, but I actually see it right here where it says advertise. So you want to click on advertise. And again, here's a whole page of opportunities in which you can advertise. So it looks like you can do blog posts, you can do email sends, you can do social engagement. They have a Twitter page and everything. So let's just look a little bit closer. So right here saying that you can do some advertising here, main page, sponsored post here. It says one slot, $250. So it's showing here that if you buy this first main page slot, you'll basically be able to advertise within this section here that's on the site. You can see here on the ad spot 2, they have some banner advertisements. They have some banner advertisements here in spot 3. So these are, you know, specific places where you could actually place a banner or have a text advertisement, and you can get in front of all of these targeted traffic visitors. So if I keep going down, let's see how much their newsletter email blast costs. Let's see here. Okay, here it is. Here it says newsletter. Basically, they're showing you the newsletter, and it looks like you can put somewhat of a banner in the email that they send out in their newsletter. And it shows here, it says email marketing continues to be the most effective marketing method available. We send out to 100,000 emails monthly, and our email list grows daily. So here it is, guys, right here, 100,000 plus emails that you can send out in your niche, in your affiliate marketing niche. These are targeted people for $250, right? So you pay these guys $250 and they send out your banner that goes out in their email list. So again, if you have a captivating banner and then you have a good opt-in page and you have a good offer, that's going to turn into what? Clicks. You have that good banner, so that's going to turn into clicks. Your opt-in page is going to be optimized, so that's going to turn into a lot of leads. And then if you have a good high converting offer on the back end of that squeeze page, you're going to get a lot of sales. So this is a highly effective way to actually start building your online business. And again, you can do this with any niche. So you can do it in the beauty niche or the health niche. There's blogs for all of these niches, and you can just directly contact these blogs and these website owners and tap into their audience that they've already built. So it doesn't matter if you have a list or not. It doesn't matter if you have an audience yourself. You can utilize other people's audiences and other people's hard work that they actually put all of this stuff together, and they built these huge lists, and you tap into their list for like a couple $100, and you can get the benefit of hundreds of thousands of people coming to your website. So again, guys, make sure you go into the description and go ahead and download this blueprint. What I've showed you guys today is just scratching the surface on what you can actually tap into when you utilize this blueprint. It's going to show you how to tap into massive amounts of traffic. And then once you get that traffic, it's going to show you what to do with it. How do you manage it? And then how do you multiply that traffic so that the traffic becomes its own engine, right? It's going to become its own life source that you can't even stop it if you tried. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, get that blueprint, get the blueprint down in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.